Paris is known for fabulous restaurants and a great food culture, but today we're making our own fabulous French dinner. But we're not just going grocery shopping in any store. We're going to the Grande Épicerie de Paris, which is the most luxurious high-end grocery store in the city. And here's the thing, this place isn't cheap at all. We could easily buy ingredients at a regular supermarket or a marché for a fraction of the price. But we want to know, what does luxury really taste like? And is it worth the insane price tag? Or are we just paying for fancy packaging and prestige? So in this video, we're going to put it to the test. We're buying everything we need for a complete, elegant French dinner. Appetizer, main course, dessert, bread, and of course wine from one of the most expensive grocery stores in the world. And in the end, we'll reveal just how much it costs. So get ready, because this one's going to be really delicious and really expensive. Allez, on y va. Ooh. So let's go back here where the other groceries are.
So did you make a menu?
No. You're cooking.
Okay, yeah, I am.
I'm the sous chef.
All right, fine. So, but why don't you figure out the appetizer?
I can do that.
Okay.
Oh.
Well, that could be an appetizer, but actually that's for apéros.
We need apéros and appetizers?
Well, I don't know. Do you want to have a before dinner drink?
I don't know, but look at this.
Oh, wow, yeah, that could actually be an appetizer.
I'm liking the looks of this. Je veux prendre une petite de crème anti-chaud.
Anti-chaud.
Oui.
Et on mange ça avec quoi, la crème d'artichaut?
Bread.
Bread?
Yeah. Crispy, crunchy baguette.
Okay.
Parfait.
Merci.
Merci bien.
Merci bien, madame.
Okay, cool. That's one ingredient of the appetizer. That's not the whole appetizer.
So this is, what do we need with that?
I'll let you know. So the lady over there told me that I should get some ham and roll up the artichoke cream. I want to keep some cream just for dipping and do some that I roll up in a ham. This one is there, just the plain kind. And it's just a few of them, because that's one of the things I like here. You can buy there's 4 slices of ham in a package, so it doesn't go bad. It doesn't have a chance to go bad. Yeah. So that's cool.
Okay, cool. So now what?
Let's go to the seafood department. Maybe we get something like some shrimp to go with the steaks.
Good idea.
Je cherche un truc pour entrée.
Oui.
Avec le steak, l'entrecôte pour le plat. Un truc comme traiteur, c'est pas le poisson comme ça. Ah oui.
Ah, that's a good
Alors,
idea.
Parfait.
C'est exactement ça.
Ça, c'est une coquille normande, d'accord? Avec des petits champignons,
oui.
Une petite béchamel.
Parfait. Merci bien.
Merci bien, madame. Merci, bonne journée.
Au revoir.
Au revoir. Qu'est-ce que vous avez qui est super bon ici?
Tout est bon.
Tout est bon. Yeah, of course, he says everything is good.
Après, on voulait une petite en viande rouge.
Ouais, une petite viande rouge, vous savez quoi?
Vous voulez faire quelque chose rapidement ou plutôt...
Ouais, on aime bien saignant, tu vois, un bon morceau de bœuf. Ok, I'm gonna take a piece of beef.
OK.
Ouais, je préfère un truc plus délicat, ouais, comme ça, là.
Voilà.
Ah, ça, c'est du wagyu.
Wagyu, il est derrière, Wagyu, c'est ça.
Ouais, non, je vais pas prendre ça. Je vais prendre plutôt un steak traditionnel. Deux beaux
With a little bit of marble. I want a little marble.
Elle veut un petit peu de grade avec.
Par contre, ça, c'est sans gras.
Avec ce que vous avez avec du gras qui serait bon sur la poêle.
Du gras, ça sera plutôt par ici. Hein.
D'accord, on va prendre ça,
Oui.
voilà. Voilà,
That's
deux
like
comme ça, 2 tranches de ça. Merci bien, monsieur.
Alors,
Et qu'est-ce que je fais avec ça?
j'aime bien les pommes de terre.
Une petite pomme de terre, ouais.
Patates.
Ouais, et puis un petit légume, un petit peut-être haricot vert.
Voilà.
Okay, merci bien, monsieur. Bonne journée.
Merci.
All right, so I got the beef. I got the main course. We're gonna have this. Now we need to get something that goes with it. I'm thinking potatoes and green beans. Look at that. Look at all these little potatoes. Pomme grenaille. You know what? Pomme grenaille would be amazing with that.
I think that pomme grenaille would be fabulous. Look how cute these are. I mean,
They
just
are
the
adorable.
tiny little babies. You don't have to cut them or anything.
It's a
Just,
baby.
I mean, seriously, just little.
Yeah.
And then I have to weigh it, right? Where do I weigh it?
A good question, Your
And the
Honor.
other thing, you're saying you want green beans, but are green beans in season? Because they don't sell stuff that's not in season here.
Ah, true. Oh, green beans. There you go.
Okay, green beans.
And they're fine green beans.
They're skinny. They're stringy string beans. You know, like in the store when you buy a can of beans
Mm-hmm.
and it's French style,
Yeah.
they're skinny like that.
Or you could buy it prepackaged.
Yeah, you can buy them prepackaged. Are you going to go through all of the suffering to make it right? Or are you going to have me put that thing back and buy the pre-done?
I don't know.
Uh-huh. I think we're going to need a salad, but you know, it's French, so that'll be a dessert.
No, it's not a dessert. It's a
It's a before dessert dessert.
it's before cheese.
I'm going to take this big old lettuce right here.
A little salad.
Just a little salad. We have steak, potatoes, green beans, and salad.
Yes. Okay, great. Now let's go and weigh this stuff.
Okay.
Yeah, so this is not the type of supermarket where you do your own thing. When you pay that kind of price, they wrap it up for you.
Bonjour. Bon. Merci. Merci. Merci.
All right, so now let's go get some cheese. Sens de la file. Début, I'm
Okay.
following the thing. Bonjour madame. Je voudrais un petit morceau. Qu'est-ce que vous avez qui est bon? Un bon fromage pour après un dîner. On va manger 2 bons steaks, green beans. Ouais, on va pas trop.
Watch your video.
Hein?
I watch your video.
You do? Oh, thank you. We're cooking steak and green beans and potatoes. So we want to finish with a nice cheese at the end.
You like the cow or sheep?
I think cow.
Cow. Okay, yeah. You like the fried one or the creamy one?
I want to, I always go for Comté because I love Comté. But what would you recommend? Do you have something that is delicious, that is Comté adjacent, a little bit different?
A little bit different, yes. Did you ever taste a buko?
Before. Oh, that's a great idea. Yes. But I would like to taste it again. Merci. All right, Colleen, this is for you. Try that. So this is Beaufort.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Yes.
You know what? It's so creamy.
It's what?
It's a lot creamier than the Comté.
Yeah, actually, I like that.
The texture is
A
nice.
nice piece for 3 people. Yeah, the third one is my son.
Okay.
Yeah.
So he likes cheese.
He likes cheese. He's going to eat it. All right, then the next one would be a goat. Oh, I know Rocamadour. This is very nice, very creamy.
It's very creamy also.
So what do you recommend? How's a Tome de Provence?
From the Provence, yes.
That's the one you were thinking? Give me a Tome de Provence.
Okay.
That's perfect. All right, so now we have a goat
Yeah.
and a cow.
Cow. And you can try the brebis, the sheep. But the sheep it's good too.
You know what? I'm willing to taste it. The brebis, you call it.
Okay. So
You choose. Yeah, my darling.
That's the
Oh,
That's sheep.
delicate.
yes, that's the sheep.
And what's the name of this one?
Tom the brebis.
Tome de brebis.
That's good.
Yes.
It's very nice.
A little piece.
Just
That
a
would
little
be
piece.
French. I'm gonna make a little plateau de fromage. Again, if we don't eat all, we don't have to eat everything.
Don't force yourself. It's not easy.
All right, cheese, and then I gotta get some wine.
Wine and dessert and flowers, or just wine, and dessert?
Flowers. Of course, you have to have a flower, my darling. What is your name? Jenny? It was beautiful to meet you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Jenny.
Thank you. Nice to meet you. Okay,
Bye-bye.
bye.
I know you're looking at lots of different butters. There's one over here that's DuPont butter. I don't know if it's any good.
Oh, we gotta have this one. I think this is demi-sel. Yeah, that's what we want.
Okay. Salted butter.
Half salted. DuPont butter. Do you want to get a Bourdieu and a DuPont, and then we'll compare?
We could do that.
Okay, so let's get demi-sel, Bourdieu, compare it to DuPont demi-sel. So, we got one of each. We got the Bourdieu, we got the DuPont. We're gonna try it, and we'll tell you which one is better. They're about the same price, but this one's got my name on it.
Bonjour, monsieur. Je vais prendre la baguette comme ça avec le... Oui. Et aussi, avez-vous du pain avec, oui, la noisette? I got the baguette that breaks off into little pieces, and I'm getting
I love those.
that much of the hazelnut bread to go with the cheese.
Merci, monsieur.
Comme ça à peu près.
Oui, c'est parfait.
All right, so both of these are for dinner.
Well, one is for dinner, and one is, well, for appetizers and dinner, and the other one is for the cheese course after.
Voilà pour vous.
Merci bien. Bonne
Merci,
journée.
monsieur. There are tons of great restaurants, bakeries, and street food vendors all over Paris. But some are complete tourist traps, or they are overpriced, or they're just bad service. So we've put together an app with an easy-to-use map with all of your favorite locations in Paris. And it works on your desktop or on a tablet, and of course on your mobile phone. And we've included useful information to help you plan your visit to Paris, like tips on transportation and the best attractions to visit. There's a link in the description. Check it out and see if it's a good fit for you. Oh,
This
look at
is
this.
promising.
You think they're gonna have enough? All right, so I heard they have a sommelier here. So I want to ask the sommelier, qu'est-ce que vous me conseillerez au niveau des prix? Moi, je voudrais quelque chose qui soit bon, surtout en premier. Puis on va pas exploser la banque non plus, quoi. C'est tous les Bourgognes ici ou vous en avez d'autres derrière?
On a d'autres. Ici, c'est la Côte de Nuit et sur l'autre mur, c'est la Côte de Beaune.
Côte de Beaune, j'aime beaucoup le Côte de Beaune. Alors on va voir Côte de Beaune. So one of the good thing here is that when you come here, is they have all these guys know their wine.
And they have all these other spirits too.
Bon, je vous fais confiance. So I have a white already at home. I have a Pouilly Frisé, which will be great for the appetizer. And this is the red for the main course. Merci, monsieur.
Je vous en prie, merci.
Merci beaucoup. So now what we need is we need dessert.
It is time to find dessert, and there's no better place.
What are you going to do for dessert? Do you have something in mind?
I'm going to go see what I'm in love with.
Did we buy fruit? We didn't get.
We got clementine.
So that's a dessert.
It could be a dessert,
Right.
or it could be a digestive thing. Je vous prends une pavlova à grumes avec une tarte framboise. I got a pavlova with citrus and a raspberry
Merci.
tart.
All right, what's missing is a little flour to wrap this up.
Just a little something pretty for the table. That's lovely. Okay. We're gonna take this stuff home and see what we got.
And I got to make you a dinner.
I know. I am ready for something yummy, and it should be amazing.
All right, let's go home and see how much damage we did, and let's have an amazing dinner.
Sounds good. Today, I felt like a queen. The Grand Épicerie is not an everyday thing, but for a special occasion, I'd do it all over again. especially shopping and cooking together with Antoine. This was fun at any price.
All right, well, let's eat our $200 dinner.
I like cooking with you.
I do too.
That's awesome.
Bon appetit.
Cheers. In this video, we took you inside the most luxurious grocery store in Paris. And next, I would watch this video with 36 of the best restaurants that we love in Paris.